are you? Are you a self-entitled person? Well, if you don't know, you need to hear this if some of this personality is deep within you unconsciously, because you may not grow on life with this personality of yours. All right? Recognizing self-entitlement, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you. We've all encountered individuals who exhibit an unsettling sense of entitlement, seemingly oblivious to the boundaries that govern social interactions and the needs of others. These are the people who make demands without considering the perspectives or requirements of those around them. They react with indignation to minor inconveniences, often prioritizing their own plans over the well-being of others affected by the same situation. Moreover, some individuals believe that the world should revolve around them, expecting others to drop everything and cater to their needs. It's a baffling behavior that can strain relationships, disrupt harmony, and leave us grappling with the implications of self-entitlement. But what exactly is self-entitlement, and how does it manifest? Self-entitlement is a mindset in which an individual feels owed favors or special treatment without having earned or justified such privilege. This behavior can often be observed in narcissistic personalities or those who believe the world revolves around them. It's essential to understand that the reasons behind a self-entitled person's sense of deservingness may not align with the perceptions of others. Their demands may seem unreasonable or unjustifiable to those outside their sphere. The origins of self-entitlement can be complex and multifaceted. It may stem from a childhood marked by excessive indulgence, where every need was met without question. Alternatively, exposure to media narratives or life events that foster a sense of uniqueness can also contribute to this mindset. Notably, self-entitlement doesn't only affect those in proximity to the entitled individual. It also takes a toll on the entitled person themselves. High expectations often go unmet, lead to psychological distress. The challenge lies in recognizing self-entitlement without immediately condemning those who exhibit it, especially when dealing with family members or close associates. So how can you identify a self-entitled individual? Here are 11 telltale signs. 1. Self-centeredness. They exhibit a self-absorbed nature, consistently prioritizing their own desires over the needs of others. 2. Exaggerated self-worth. These individuals tend to overestimate their abilities and consider themselves superior to those around them. 3. Pity parties. Self-entitled people frequently complain about perceived mistreatment or inconveniences without seeking solutions. 4. Drama magnet. Drama seems to follow them as their unrealistic desires often clash with reality. 5. Seeking adoration. They crave praise and attention even when their actions don't warrant it. 6. Taking more than giving. Self-entitled individuals focus on fulfilling their desires while having double standards for what they believe they deserve compared to others. 7. Happiness at others' expense. They're willing to harm or hinder others if it means achieving their own happiness. 8. Gaslighting. They belittle and manipulate others to make them feel guilty for not conforming to their desires. 9. Disregard for rules. Rules and consequences often don't apply to them, leading to disciplinary actions. 10. Failure to acknowledge mistakes. They rarely admit fault, often blaming others for their own failures. 11. Self-centered conversations. Conversations with them tend to revolve around their lives, making it challenging to share your concerns or experiences. Understanding these signs is crucial for dealing with self-entitled individuals. It's also essential for those who recognize these traits within themselves. Self-awareness and a willingness to change can help shift away from an entitlement mentality. How to conquer self-entitlement. 1. practice empathy and make an effort to understand the perspectives and needs of others. Put yourself in their shoes to foster compassion. 2, accept imperfections. Recognize that life won't always align with your desires, and that's okay. Embrace the unpredictability of life. 3, gratitude and cultivate gratitude for what you have and the efforts of others. Acknowledge their contributions and sacrifices. 4, self-reflection. Regularly evaluate your actions and their impact on others. Be open to constructive feedback. 5, you'll seek professional help. If self-entitlement is severely impacting your life or relationships, consider therapy or counseling to address underlying issues. By acknowledging the signs of self-entitlement and taking steps to overcome it, individuals can foster healthier relationships and a more balanced outlook on life.